Hello and welcome to another ACY Securities daily report video. My name is Alistair Schultz and I'm going to be your host through today's trading journey. Now, the second aspect to look at today, or maybe even probably one of the first things when you've woken up this morning, you would have noticed that the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones both have made new high scores. Now, the best performing sectors that we saw out of this has been the utilities and real estate, which have driven those highs to all-time highs yet again. The Dow Jones has made a reasonable assumption on moving its way up, whilst on the S&P 500, it's just fractionally higher by about $10. Now, of course, either way, these are still record-breaking highs again. So what's really going on behind the scenes? We're starting to get a little bit of optimism in the market because we've got a number of vaccines rolling out. Yes, we've had a bit of a downside on the AstraZeneca, but there are still plenty of others going around the globe right now. In addition to that, the stimulus package is all but through. We're already seeing people getting stimulus checks in their pocket. This should give a nice and tidy boost to a lot of different stocks, particularly on the reflationary side, where we are likely going to be seeing a bit of an impact on tomorrow's FOMC meeting. Now, the final piece that I thought would be something good for you guys to have a bit of a look at is Ray Dalio. Ray says buy. And there's a couple of reasons for this. Now, he's still and has always been the type of guy that says that cash is trash, and it's going to, in this case, he's turned around and said cash is and will continue to be trash. So he's a renowned investor for not wanting to hold cash positions because he sees the idea of actually getting a return or a dividend somewhere else in an actual asset class might be a bit more useful to him. So in this instance, what he said in the last week or so has been, rather than get paid less than inflation, why not instead buy stuff, any stuff that will equal inflation or better? So Ray is on the buying path. He is likely looking at a variety of different stocks. They're going to provide him a better return than what inflationary assets might actually do. And of course, he's going to be looking at things that offer a better return than what yields do as well. So bear that in mind. Instead of putting his cash somewhere into bonds or into perhaps just a savings account, he is looking to offload it and make sure that he is heavily invested in the market again, which is a nice sign of optimism for investors. Now, if you have any questions on today's video, please feel free to check out any of my social media channels and feel free to send a message through there. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video so you can get more great content from me and ACY Securities in the future. Have a great trading day ahead.